Alright, good morning class. Today we're going to go over our spelling words for this week. Okay, so what we're going to do is first I need y'all to get out your spelling list and a piece of paper and pencil. If you guys would all get that out real quick. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to continue where we left off yesterday. We're going to try to keep working on getting those different shortcuts and spelling cues down and different strategies that we came up with to help us become better spellers. So what these shortcuts and little spelling cues do, hopefully will make it so it's much easier for you to understand the words along with spell the words. Alright, so first of all I want us to review a couple of those different shortcuts and spelling cues that we've been working on. The one big one for this week, especially considering our spelling words, is the I before E except after C rule. Alright, and along with that rule comes the I before E except after C unless it sounds like A. So that's the words like way and neighbor, because that has that A sound in it. So that means E becomes before I in those words. The other one we really were working on is the difference between principal and principal. Alright, so remember, if it's like principal shipment, we spell it with an AL, not an EL, because you guys are buddies. He's your pal, so it's principal. Alright, so there's that little shortcut on that one. And the other one that we've been focusing on is piece and piece, alright? So remember, if you want like a piece of pie, it's P-I-E instead of P-E-A, okay? So if you want a piece of anything, you're gonna spell it P-I-E because you want that piece of pie, alright? So those are just a couple of the different ones that we've been really focusing on that you guys have noticed you've been having more struggles with than the rest of the words. So now we're going to get into a little bit of practice, alright? So if you guys all get out your whiteboards and a marker, we'll spell out these different words, and once you're done spelling out the word, go ahead and hold up the board, and then we'll go from there, alright? So the first word that we want to work with is neighbor, alright? So if you guys would all spell out neighbor on your whiteboards, alright? So John is my neighbor. Alright, perfect. Good job, guys. Those all look great. Alright, next word we want to do is together. Alright, together. We went to the store together. If you guys would spell out together. Alright, perfect. Remember, for together we have that one simple rule where we went together to get her. Alright, so to get her, you could break it down so it helps you remember together. Alright, next word. Let's do island. Alright, island. Hawaii is a large island. Great. Alright, cool. Alright, so now that we've done a little bit of practice together, I want you guys to go on and practice with partners, but I want you to do this in a specific way, alright? So I want you guys to look over your words for a couple minutes and then partner up, okay? After you look over your words for 2-3 minutes, go ahead and get with a partner, someone that you're not going to be goofing around with, alright? So then once you have that partner, I want you to do it in this specific way, alright? So you guys will give each other words back and forth, alright? So if me and John are partners, I'll give John a word. He'll spell out his word. If he gets it correct, we'll move on to the next word. If he gets it incorrect, I want John to respell it 3 times correctly, alright? So once you guys are done looking over your words, go ahead and get into that.